Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enter prank mode on your earbuds SOUNDCORE P40i. To enter prank mode, firstly open the charging case. If your earbuds have no more connection, it will enter to prank mode automatically and you will see it as a device list. But we can also enter to prank mode manually. At the back side of these earbuds we have connectional button. You need to press and hold this connectional button until this LED light starts flashing, like what I have right now. And you will also enter to prank mode and you will see it as a device list. Now, you can pair it. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!